Hello everyone, myself Parvathy Raj. I am a student of Vipras Vidya for the past 1 year and I've attended their courses on Research Officer, Statistical Assistant and currently doing UGC NET crash course. I want to share a few words on the academy so that you guys can choose the right place to achieve your dreams. The first and important factor is the faculty, which is very experienced and phenomenal. They help us to identify our weaknesses and not only identify them, helps us to convert it into our strength and motivates us to do more. The faculty focuses more on the syllabus and the entire topic is covered on time. The faculty focuses more on the syllabus and it provides us with quality content to learn with these. Another important factor is the Vipras Vidya app, which is available 24/7 for the students so that we can cover the syllabus anytime, everywhere, whenever we want. Another important factor is the punctuality of the faculty, because the classes are taken on the stipulated time and it covers the entire syllabus within that time. And not only that, after the classes, the exams are done and mock tests and other weekly assessments are done on that week itself. Another important factor is that we can attend the classes with full attention because the notes and PDF and the video classes are uploaded right after the interactive session. The online tests are conducted in the app for which the results are given within the test itself and also the solution is also given in the app right after the exam. The session is conducted as live interactive sessions which helps us to save our time and expenses. The faculty motivates us to achieve more and feedback and suggestions are taken from the students also to improve their quality of teaching. Here at Vipras Vidya, the fees is taken at an affordable rate so that each and every student can join here.